In this video we want to consolidate these two charts, so we mark our chart with the positive deviations, then we cut it, go to sheet chart development to cell C17 and paste it, and then we press the Alt key and go to the top left of the chart, left mouse key, and go exactly to cell C17, and we go to the right bottom of the chart, press the Alt key and the left mouse key and put it to cell J25. Go back to sheet data development, we mark the chart with a negative deviation, cut it and we paste it here. Go to the top left of the chart, press the Alt key, left mouse key, go to cell C17 and we go to the right bottom of the chart, press the Alt key, left mouse key and go to cell J25. So, and now we can compare here the deviations of the dollars, so the absolute deviations and the percentage deviation.